welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. For today I have a very special video. I'm doing a collaboration with Sharla. I love Sharla and all her videos. She is literally such an inspiration. Her YouTube channel is Sharla's Beauty Room and literally she's like the pink queen. Everything in her channel is so cute, very girly, everything pink and very, very inspiring. She's literally like such a sweet person. So I couldn't say enough amazing things about Sharla. Please go ahead and visit her channel and check out her video. So for this video, we decided to do a what's in my bag spring edition. I love these kind of videos. These were like my favorite back in the day. And I feel like not a lot of people do them anymore, which I don't know why. They're so much fun. Like, I love seeing what other girls have in their bags. What bags are they like, you know, sporting? And especially with every season, I like to change up my handbag. So with that being said, that is our collaboration video and I hope you love it. I will link her video down there as well so you can check it out. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you my handbag for the spring. So I do have my beautiful pink marshmallow bag. So I've been using this bag for the past week and I'll definitely be using it for the entire springtime. But this is such a cute bag. It's very, very comfy. It does have this like really nice strap that's like great. If you don't want to use like the long strap that it comes with, you can use this and just hold it like this, or you can use the strap and use it as a crossbody, which is what I kind of tend to go for when I have like my hands full. It's just easier. This handbag is also very spacious. Don't let the size fool you. A lot of the handbags that may seem small, they're like very spacious. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's packed and it's actually pretty heavy. It's very heavy, but I love this little handbag and it's pink and it has like all kinds of shades, so definitely love it. So let me go ahead and share with you what's inside my handbag, and these are things that I carry all the time no matter the handbag. So up first, we're going to start off with the very basic essentials that everybody carries in their purses. I have my iPhone and I have this really cute case on it that I got from my bestie. It says "Just a girl who loves coffee," and it's so cute. I also have, of course, my sunglasses, and don't judge me, but I never carry them in their pouch, like never. I actually lost the pouch that it came with and I feel so bad, but I am pretty good at like taking care of them and not scratching them. So I do have my sunglasses. These are my favorite. I actually got these from the Real way back. I think it was like 2021, so it's been quite a while, but I love them because they are shaped as hearts. These are Miu Miu, and this is what these sunglasses look like. I love them. They're so cute. They're like ombre and they're shaped like hearts. So these are the sunglasses that I've been using. I also have my keys, and I have this really adorable is it keychain? Yeah, a keychain, and I love this. This is actually upcycled real Louis Vuitton canvas. The person that makes these is incredible. Like, they do an incredible job, and they come in many colors. I did choose like the inside to be pink. It does come in many colors. I have had this for over a year and it looks really good. And of course I have my keys, my house keys, and then I have this cute little charm here that I got from my bestie Janine as well. Got that for Valentine's. Also inside I do have my little wallet that I'm currently using. I switch my wallets up all the time, so I kind of go in between But right now I am using this one. I think this is like a Victoria's Secret one. I got this like a couple years ago and it's so cute. It's pink and it's like a little accordion. You can put all your cards inside, your license. So this is what I've been using just because I can fit so many cards and it's small enough and it's pink. Up next I have a little cosmetic bag. I got this from, I think it was like Nordstrom, and it was like one of those like free gifts with purchase. It's the Chanel from the Coco Mademoiselle. I think that's when I purchased like my perfume back in the day. And in here I just have like a couple lippies and some eye drops. So I do have this one here, the Jizu. It is a honey infused lip oil. It is so comforting on the lips, so hydrating. I love this thing so much. And then I also have a couple lipsticks as well. I have the Charlotte Tilbury Secret Salma. This is such a pretty shade. I actually just got this like not too long ago. It's like a deep rose color and it is so beautiful and it's matte. I also have a nude lippy in here. This one is the Too Faced, and the packaging in this one is so beautiful. The shade on this one is Brave, and I actually got this from my bestie. This is like the perfect nude. It is beautiful. If you're looking for like that perfect shade of nude that's not going to be like a washed out kind of lippy, this is the one. It is gorgeous. Look at the shade in this one. It is so, so pretty. So I am blind as a bat without my glasses, and I always use contact lenses whenever I'm not home. And if you use contact lenses, you know what I mean, but your eyes get so dry after a certain amount of hours of wearing contact lenses. So I always make sure to carry some drops for my eyes. I use the Clear Eyes Contact Lens Relief. It's a lubricant, and this is like my holy grail for my eyes. So I always make sure to carry this everywhere, and it took me forever to find that perfect kind of solution, and I definitely recommend that one. So up next I have a few more things in there. I have more makeup. I do have a powder. This is my favorite. It's like a finishing powder, but I get like super oily sometimes in like the T-zone. So throughout the day, I kind of like to like touch up, and this is what I use. It is the Chanel, and I don't know what shade it's in. I think it's called Lavage, but I'll see if I can find it. I'll link it down below. But this is like amazing, and it's super cute because it comes with its own little brush, and it smells so nice. I love this. It smells like so nice. It has like a light scent. It just smells very like luxurious. I love it. I also always carry my hand cream. This is like the third time that I repurchased this hand cream, but this one is the Chanel hand cream, and I love the shape of this. It's just so cute. It's like shaped like a little egg, so easy to just hold. A little bit goes a long way, and it smells incredible, just like the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle perfume. So I always make sure to carry this anywhere I go. Next I have a cream for my hair. So I have like these like baby hairs like in the top, you know, after you do your hair you get these like little tiny baby hairs that are very stubborn. That's what I have. So I always make sure to carry like a styling cream, something to kind of just like pat them down. This one is the Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream, and it's for the hair. It's like a mini trial size, but I have the big size of this, and it's incredible. It's like super nice, and it shines your hair. It doesn't weigh it down, and it's not greasy. So definitely recommend this brand. Next I have a hair tie. This is like one of those like silky hair ties because it doesn't crease your hair. So I always make sure to use these kind of silky hair ties. And I think this one here is from Sephora, but there's so many brands now that make them. Highly recommend these kind of hair ties. Next I have my AirPods. I can't live without these AirPods. And these are the Apple AirPods, and I have them in this adorable case. It's like a like Chanel little case that I got, and it's adorable. All right, and the last thing that I have is a body spray, and this body spray has been my favorite. OMG, it smells so incredible. This is the Sol de Janeiro Shea Rosa Perfume Mist 68, and I believe this one is the passion fruit, the pink dragon fruit, and ocean air. It smells so good. I can't rave enough about this scent. So from all the scents that they make, this one is by far my favorite. Highly, highly recommend it. So that is everything that I had inside my little marshmallow bag. I hope you loved today's video. Make sure to head down over to Charla's video so you can see what handbag she's sporting for the spring and what's in her handbag. Charla, again, thank you so much for doing this collab with me. Girl, you are such an inspiration to me, and I absolutely love all your videos. So I love you all so much. I hope you have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.